So if you are able to develop this particular application means, so what we have to learn, guys? So what we have to learn? Without learning this programming language, so are you able to develop these particular applications? Come on in. Are you able to develop this particular application or not?
No, sir.
No, right? So definitely it is not at all possible or not. So that means within this market, so there are multiple programming languages are available. So what is the main purpose of these programming languages here? What is the main mode of this developing this learning these programming languages? Now we are here to learn Java language. Why? For what purpose we are learning this programming language called Java?
To develop some applications, sir.
Yes. So that means after learning this programming language, come on, to be careful. So what is your main responsibility? So after what are the different types of programming languages are available? Yes. So we already discussed about different types of programming languages, right? What are the different types of programming languages? See? What is the main category of these programming languages, guys? What are the different types of programming languages? Mission level language, assembly level language, high level language, we discussed or not? Yes. So one is mission level language and assembly level language and high level language. So we are able to understand only high level language or mission level language and assembly, guys.
High level language.
As a programmer, yes, as a programmer, as a developer, as a common people, as a human being, we are able to learn only high level languages or not. Again, these high level languages divided into two types, right? What are those two types? What are those two types, guys? One is procedure oriented programming language and another one is object oriented programming language. Yes. So C language is an example for procedure oriented. Java language is an example for object oriented. We discussed that always. Yes. So that means so object oriented programming languages are available. Or procedure oriented programming languages are available. So C language, Java language is like there are multiple programming languages are available. So we can happily learn any one of the programming language which are available in this outside market or not. Okay, sir. Up to this, all the points are very clear. We are learning one programming language. After learning this programming language, what is your responsibility? What is your responsibility? What is your
To
responsibility?
crack it, to crack some
Yes.
interviews and get a job.
Sorry.
To crack interviews and get a job, sir.
Yes. Yes. You are getting jobs. After getting job, what is your responsibility in your company?
Develop a software.
Yes, definitely. We have to develop the applications, right?
Yes, sir.
Definitely, what is the main responsibility of this programming language, guys? So we are learning this programming language means using those programming language, we have to develop the application or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have to develop the application. So we already know about application. Application is nothing but a software. We already know about software. Software is nothing but a collection of programs. Collection of programs is nothing but statements. Statements is nothing but a words. There are multiple things we discuss. Okay, that's fine. This application also running in the computer means so our environment is required. So well, what that environment is technically called as platform. Platform is required. Yes, okay. So for that, so there are different types of platforms are required. Windows related platforms, Mac OS related, Linux related, different operating systems are available. Up to this, all the points are clear. Now, we are developing this application means what type of application we are developing it. So there are different types of applications are available or not? Yes. So there is no doubt there are different types of applications are available. So what type of applications are available, sir? Using those programming language, what type of application we can able to develop? So which application is comes under the what type of application? So as like we have to learn all these things, guys. So first we will discuss about types of application. So what is this here? So types of applications, guys. After learning this programming language, what type of application we can able to develop, sir? What are the different types of applications are available? Now come on, be careful, be careful. Here, suppose as like your previous discussion, this is my machine here, right? This is my system. This is my system. Within the system, what exactly we are doing? This my paint application open here or not? Yes, this is my paint application. How this paint application open here? Automatically it is open.
Click on.
Yes. So definitely this paint application. So someone has to click on this paint application or not, guys? Without clicking this paint application automatically open and automatically run by this OS?
No, sir, no.
No, right?
It's not.
It is not at all possible or not, guys. So that means someone is responsible to click on this particular application or not? Yes, someone is responsible to click this application. Whenever they are clicking on this particular application, then only this application is open and that application is run by the OS or not, guys? Yes, so this application now running in your machine by the OS or not? How it is possible? How it is possible here? How this application is run? How this paint application open? We are clicking on this particular application or not, guys? We are clicking on this particular application. Come on here. Whenever,
Yes,
come on, be careful, be careful. Technical words are very important. Whenever we are clicking on this particular application, technically that is called as local call. What is this here? So we are giving some local call to your application, then only that application open, guys. So we are giving some request. So that request, what are the request we are provided here, that is technically called as local call. Local call. Now come on, be careful. In order to execute my paint application in my machine, networking concept is required or not required, guys? Networking concept is required in order to execute my paint application?
no, sir.
No, right? Even
No,
though
sir.
my
It is
system
not
is
required.
not connected, yes, even though my system is not connected to any network, any internet, happily I can open my paint application or not? I can provide my local call. I can happily click on this paint application. This paint application happily executed by the operating system. It will open in my system. I can happily work with my paint application or not? Because there is no networking concept is required in order to fulfill my requirement. Because just I want to work with my paint application, I want to type something, I want to save, and I can close this paint application. For this purpose, so the networking concept is required? No, networking concept is required. So that means one particular application wants to execute means, so maybe networking concept is required, maybe networking concept is not required or not required. Now come on here. Suppose Google home page we are opening in your machine. In order to get that Google home page in your machine, networking concept is required or not required?
Required, sir.
Definitely it is required or not required? Yes, no doubt it is required. Without internet concept, without networking concept, are you able to open Google home page? No, right?
No, sir.
Why? This Google homepage available in your machine?
No, it is not available.
It is not available in your machine, right? Yes. So definitely that application available in the another machine. Come on, be careful guys, be careful. How internet concept is, why internet concept is required? How internet concept is, so in which situation internet concept is required? Which application is comes under this point of, there are multiple things. There are, we will slowly, each and every internal points we will discuss. In the real time, no one bother about all this stuff guys. So once you go to any way, so no one teaching all these points, do you know? Yes, but my students should not be like this. Subject is most important guys. So once we have a subject, so we can happily live in this software world. At least one times also. At least if you spend how much, this much of money we are spending, this much of time you are spending. So if you are not getting good subject means, what is the use of it guys? I see lot of people sir. So they are spending lot of money and they are not getting any proper subject from them. And again come to me, reach me, and so they told that sir we are not getting any subject from them. So there are multiple students told that we are teaching well, so please provide. So that means, so if you at least one programming language also if you learn means, so next time, so without learning from anywhere, by your own you can happily learn any new technologies or not guys, because these all the internal points you already know. Just by seeing the technical words, you will be able to understand or not. Yes, so that's why subject is most important. Come on, be careful guys. So here, in order to execute my paint application, so that application only run, come on, be careful, that application only run in my current mission via local call. Via local call, so within the current mission, I want to execute that particular application means networking concept is required. Come on guys, networking concept is required or not required? Yes, no doubt. So networking concept is not required or not? Yes, networking concept not required, right? So why it is required? See, even though I am not using networking concept, my application happily work and it is executed. Then what is the use of networking concept? I don't bother about this networking concept. I am not thinking about this networking concept also, right?